because for me I'm far away. I'm always ahead. Nti Bobi Wine namubala okuva lwe yajja. Nemubala nembaga nti uyo mwana ali dangerous.
Ngomubala nti omutegeera.
Ndamutegeera. Nti this young man, why is he rehabilitating himself? Twakuba essada twakola ki eyo n'avaayo. N'arehabilitating n'agenda ne bamutestinga omusaayi. N'avaayo. Poliisi n'emweyambisa rehabilitate abavubuka eyo n'avaayo. N'awasa empeta. Mwenye Chameleone ne Bobi Wine. Chameleone simutwalangako seriously.
Tamale mirundi mu kwogera kwe wali ku Pal FM olunaku olwaleero alaze nti nno yawandiika akatabo nga kakwata ku Bobi Wine yekka era nga akatabo kano kalagira ddala nti nno Bobi Wine ayinza okuwangula obukulembeze bwa 2021 n'afuuka pulezidenti.
Another important aspect in the Bobi Wine's victory, which cannot be ignored, is that he defeated candidates sponsored by major political parties. Interestingly, both leaders, General Yoweri Museveni and Dr. Kizza Besigye, who were given a blood nose, had strategic interests in the constituency. Also, is that Dr. Kizza Besigye is a resident in the same constituency, and he supported his candidate together with the entire leadership of FDC political party. On the other hand, the ruling party NRM suffered a huge embarrassment when one of their founder members and war heroine, Madame Gertrude Njuba, broke the party rules and supported Bobi Wine. Thirdly, besides offering proxy support, no opposition party openly supported Bobi Wine, as was the case of Nsambu. Nsambu was abandoned by even NRM itself. Bobi rubbed the Mengo establishment the wrong way when they tried to grab his land through Buganda Land Board. Bobi's supporters responded in a crude manner and produced abusive recordings against the Kabaka on social media. Bobi Wine never succumbed to political scavengers, including Betty Nambos, who allegedly demanded shillings 10 million to participate in his campaign. On the other side, Mengo feared to take him on due to his popularity. Finally, Bobi Wine did not spend millions of money the same way his rivals did. His driving factor was a frustration among the youth, which no political party addressed. God bless you. Completed on Sunday 23rd July 2017 at my residence in Zana. Tuzanye mutubu. Guno mututu kuzanyesa.
Njagala otuwe ekibalo kya Bobi.
Anti nkubuulira nti kati yazze. Bobi Wine bwatyo bwe yajja. Nti bonna yabakuba ku day one.
Intelligence yamumanyi.
Ate
intelligence yalaba
ate ababbi balowooza nti baleese Bobi Wine to get money from Museveni.
And they are reaping big.
Yes, anti nga tebamanyi. Ne mbagamba nti Bobi Wine strategy ekisolo ekitalina bulago toyinza kituza mugwa. No, olina okusiba mu lubuto. Bobi Wine talina structure, alina slogan muzimu. Kati ogenda kukola ki? A slogan. That man, young man, ayina abantu abagezi abamuli emabega temulwana na Bobi Wine.
Era statement eyo nagiwidde ba Betty yagenti omwana ono byakola. Waliwo abalala.
Naye ate mukitegeere nti nammwe abasanze temuyina gundi. Waliwo kakatula ba COVID-19 bakugamba nti if you have a strong immune system takutta, you survive. Waliwo lwosangira omuntu nga tukiyita total organ failure. amagugwe tegakola, omutima tegukola, amagulu tegakola, biki byonna ne senyiga gwoyiseeko mu kkuba kwata.
Nundi twali wano gye buvuddeko n'oŋŋamba nti ekimu ku biyambi Bobi Wine y'embeera y'okuba nti
talina kibiina
mu kisinde talina structure.
Yes, talina structure.
Olwaleero ekibiina
atuuse kati nabagamba nti enjovu nabagamba nti envubu bwezaala ekyana kyayo ekyana ekyo ekikweka okutuusa nga kimaze okuweza ki nga kimaze okufunira ddala nekiweza egundi yakyo. Kakati Bobi Wine okumanya ali very strategic eri yonna tayiseeyo kakati ababbi ne balowooza nti bajja mukoleramu. I always recall ne president kimugambangako nti I saw somebody with the sack of money ng'awa abantu emitwalo 5 gandi vote Bobi Wine. Bonga balowooza nti Bobi Wine bagenda kumweyambisaako Museveni bamulyeko ssente debbala muwe. Ne bagula baakusaasira ne mbagamba of all people be baagula omuntu ali stable mu be baagula full figure yajja ku bufumbo kusaasira balabika bamusuubiza ebintu bingi nnyo ne bamwabandoninga. That's what they did. Bo baali bamulyamu ssente ne mbaga nti bala mu theory tekola ku Bobi Wine. Bobi Wine alinga omukazi owa kabina ne bw'omubbako ekikoyi akabina kasigalawo bano be mujjayo baakusasira baani mu structure be baani nti Lubaale bamututte omulokola azze okwokya Lubaale ali mu bibugo byokye akwata omulala ali mu bibugo bweyokya engoye zange oba yokyaze certain things balamu nadduka n'abakola mu ssente kusaasira n'abakola mu nembabuuza what are you buying? This man taina structure kati mututa secretary general mututa nga abasuma abalira okukinduka nga bo banoonya ssente omanyi baagala okubeera mbu we must be relevant to muzeeyi. No, you are not to be relevant to muzeeyi. Tobba ssente za covid, tobba ssente za amata, tobba ssente za masiki, then you are relevant to muzeeyi.
Kyaliwo luli nga taina structure kati ekibalo kikyuse
yanti kakati ate nowulya wano bwe mbagamba nti mbagamba wano nti whereas the reason why many Ugandans see the treatment of Bobi Wine as harassment is because such measures were not subjected to Dr. Kizza Besigye. For instance, Besigye's petrol business, including his fuel stations, continue to operate normally, and at times government vehicles refuel from there. His farm has never been raided by security operatives, and even when he was accused of alleged involvement in subversive activities, his businesses continued to operate normally. Whenever Dr. Besigye and his hooligans are arrested, they are quickly released. It is on record that he was the first Ugandan to be granted bail on treasonable charges. It's this soft attitude towards Dr. Besigye that has exposed him as a mole and contributed to Kyagulanyi's popularity. Another advantage that Kyagulanyi has is his political base, the youth. Unlike former presidential candidates, Amama Mbabas, who relied on crooks that called themselves NRM poor youth, Kyagulanyi's support in youth is based on their appetite for change. It later turned out that the NRM poor youth were looking for money, and the moment they failed to get it, they all returned to Museveni with Amama's valuable information. In Kyagulanyi's case, the youth are massively attend his musical shows, are not only attending but ready to pay entrance fees, unlike Amama's poor youth. Secondly, Bobi Wine has come at a time when a new political dispensation in the region is taking shape. This African integration has provided much wider space for local politicians across the region. In the past, this practice would easily be regarded as subversion or interference in the matter of politics of another country. This new dispensation favors Bobi Wine in that he can sell his music across borders and get money. Bobi Wine may not also need to engage in vigorous campaigns, since the majority of youth in the country are yearning for change. However, This unusual support puts his political career in a precarious situation since he risks losing all the support he has come once he drops his president's ambitions. Has enjoyed all the regional and international hype due to some avoidable mistakes committed by Museveni's government. More so, Uganda's violent history is characterized by a dented human rights record, which worsened during the days of Idi Amin. The 32-year government of Yoweri Museveni has made several reforms. The international recognition that Uganda has achieved benefits Bobi Wine, since he is seen as a younger man who has stood out to challenge Museveni's 33-year rule. Bobi Wine ambitions have been further boosted by NRM's poor record in fighting corruption. Ironically, most of the money is stolen by the mafia, who do not care about Museveni's failure. One wonders how a committed person like Nachovi can be fought and her husband forced out of office. What the mafias forget is that the population, especially the people that have been humiliated, are itching to pounce on them once Museveni leaves power. Finally, Bobi Wine is also supported by opportunistic forces, including Mengo. They strongly believe that by supporting Bobi Wine, Museveni will give them more concessions and bags of money. Their reasoning is partly correct, because what Museveni has given Mengo is already enshrined in the constitution, but they know that their influence to determine the outcome of a presidential election is dismal. Therefore, if a new president comes in, they will have an opportunity to negotiate new concessions. Nenkugamba nti Bobi Wine kubabalira kana katabona kawandiikira nakumu State House cars nembagamba nti bukulembeza ali mu State House abalabe be babeera mu State House n'abanoonyeze wala nembagamba president concentration yatadde ku Bobi Wine abalabe bali mu State House era gye bali era kati abamutawanya ababba ssente si Bobi Wine yabasindikayo ababbye masikisi si Bobi Wine yabasindikayo ababbye ssente z'emmere 59 billion si Bobi Wine yabasindikayo nabaga nti State House cars buli mukulembeze wa Uganda eno kasa agisanga mu State House abalaba abanoonyeza walala.
Oli ku Uganda News Updates ky'oba olina okunkulanyiga akagambo subscribe, okumentinge, olikinge ate osharinge. Mwebale nnyo, mwebale ddala, sigadde nze Roger Maloboozi.